with a gain of over 200%. The forecast for the stock, that is GNPX, is for even higher prices all the way towards Thursday, the 31st of October, that is next week. In today's regular session, that's today, the 21st, it ran up over a gain of over 260%. We haven't seen any news behind this rally on the 15th. That 15th was probably Tuesday. There was some positive news with its drug, but we haven't seen any news as of today. So this is its daily chart. Let's have a look at it. Let's have a look at the hourly chart and see what's going on there. On the hourly, that's the 4 hour chart. Yes, strength is equally there, and it's the same extrapolation we're talking about up to Wednesday, the 23rd of October. That is the high price is still forecasted there. So let's have a look at its 1 hour chart before we get down to the minute charts. Yes, extrapolation for higher prices as well, still intact on the 1 hour chart. Let's jump all the way down to the 1 minute chart and see what we have here. Okay, it's flat here. No, nothing. There might be projections, but not exactly very clear on this 1 minute chart. Probably have to expand the chart and see. And same as well. There might be some. Let's see whether we can expand this. Whether we can zoom in. There's no zoom. Yeah, we can. There is a zoom, but maybe we don't need to bother ourselves that much with this. These charts for GNPX. Yeah, there is. We have 3.69. 3.83 was at some point forecasted today, but they have since been negated. They didn't print, I believe, on this 15-minute chart. Let's have a look at its 45-minute chart. Okay, here weakness is forecasted, so we have to return to the daily chart. We have to return to the daily chart. Let's see what we can find here. There are no extrapolations. There are no Fibonacci projections here, but we can equally plot one. We can equally plot some ourselves. Let's get the indicators we have. Okay, this is what we have. There's a downward projection of okay, not exactly. It's in the negative, but outside that we have 2.74 is an upper projection we have here. We have 3.81. The prices go all the way towards 22.38, but this is just based on the um, indicator we're using. We have 3.81. This was a forecast as of Monday, the 29th of July, and it didn't print. So here now we have that come into play again. But obviously, this indicator and this indicator, they're not the same, but it's just a confluence of the past and present. For a confluence of the past and the present based on two different sources. Okay, so what else? We can remove this indicator and try something else. We can remove this. Let's delete it. Delete this one and try another indicator. Let's see this all the way from. I have to go to the candle report to see what we can place here to see what we can forecast. Market greed. Let's see. We have that. I think we have these in play already. Let's see. We have the Fibonacci projections, don't we? I think we do. Yeah, we do. We have them already, so we don't need to do them twice. Let me get another indicator. Let's see pattern finder, market greed, daily projections. Okay, let's try daily projections and see. We haven't seen anything. Okay, wait, not fascinating. Let's try another indicator. Okay, yeah, probability. Let's try probability. Okay, so yes, a couple of them here. So the probability that it will remain, the probability that it will surpass its 200-day moving average is 90%. So that's what it's saying here, greater than 90%. This is pointing to the 200-day moving average. And the probability that it will remain above this would be its 40 period moving average. The probability that it will remain above that is also 90% as well. It's greater than 90%. So, but in any case, in conclusion, we have the extrapolation of its 10 period moving average and its 40 period moving average. And we can see that we're not seeing, there are no signs that this stock is going to cool off anytime soon. There are no signs that it's going to cool off anytime soon. You can see it's we're seeing the divergence here being extrapolated. So it's just not calling for, it's not pointing to a contraction. The volatility is not expected to cool off anytime soon. One other thing we can equally quickly check is the float of GNPX. Let's see what we can find. Is it a low float stock? We can just quickly find out. Yeah, it's yeah, 2.43 million shares. So it is a low float stock. It is a low float stock. That is that is probably the reason why, amongst other things, why we have this. That's why we have a speculation that the volatility will remain intact, and also because also it has actually printed higher highs before, higher prices before. So if you add up all of those factors, you would probably get this sort of extrapolation for its 10 and 20-day, 10 and 40-day moving averages. So we don't have any projections. We don't have any projections. As it concerns its 10 period moving average, we'll have a price of $1.8 come Thursday, the 31st. So the price, the stock closed at 1.51. So if it's extrapolated to, if its 10-day moving average is extrapolated to reach 1.81, then you can imagine that the price itself may be higher than that. Yeah, maybe higher than that. So see what you make of GMPX, and thank you.